Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV, you feel me? We back up in this thing, y'all, with another video, you feel me? As y'all can see, I almost said Big Mama, you feel me? We did change the name to the cat. Feel me? We got promethazine out there, bit, you feel me? Looking all good with the new wrap, you feel me? I know y'all see that purple flip on that bit, no cap. Y'all also see that purple flip in the banners. You feel me? You know, whole lot of promethazine shit, no cap. You feel me? So we just finna give y'all boys a little POV in the Hellcat, you feel me, with the new wrap, you feel me? This is my first official POV with the new color. Also, y'all let me know how y'all like the color. Y'all think it's a W choice? I also gotta show y'all boys one more thing, hold on. Also, let me know if y'all mess with the front bumper, how it is. Like I said, I ran out of wrap, you feel me? So that's why it's half black, half, you know, the other color. Let me know if I should do it all the same color, you feel me? But enough of the talk, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. All right, time to crank Miss Promethazine up, no cap, you feel me? Go ahead and put that bit in custom mode. You know, that's how we always drive in custom mode with that street. Gotta cut that jet out off, you feel me? That boy did not give me the rights to his song, no cap. That bit did not do right. We just gonna ride in track, you feel me? Oh, I hear the police. I hear 12. Oh, there they go. You feel me? Them boy do not play. Look at them niggas. Going crazy. Slow ass charging me. They know not to play with me on God. They know I take that down through there in their cat. No cap. I don't know if y'all watched my previous video, but that's when I actually did my official showcase of my new wrap. You feel me? I went posting for about a week and a half, you feel me? And the reason why that was, you feel me, was because I could have had my car wrapped, like it took only like 3 or 4 days to get my car wrapped. But basically, my oil pan had cracked because some object fell off a nigga truck, you feel me? And went up under my car and smacked the transmission pan. So I had to go order all my parts and stuff and, you feel me, get that junk replaced, you know. But that brings us here today. That brings us here today with promethazine, you feel me? We had to come back with a bang though. On everything, we had to come back with a bang. But I ain't gonna lie, on the front bumper, y'all, I'm leaning towards the purple front bumper. The black bumper just give me wreck vibes. It don't look horrible, but it just look like I wrecked this whole and I bought a new bumper and just said, hey, just slap a little purple on the front of that bit. That what type of vibes it give me, you feel me? Pull for y'all boys. I can't do too much because my tires are completely bald, no cap, you feel me? And we also gotta watch out for 12. I ain't trying to have no more police trouble. Y'all hit them pops though. Y'all hit them pops though. They be letting off them shots in the back. No cap. Oh, weak as hell. I'm still trying to figure out how that color works. Because sometimes the color be looking like, I don't know, this is my first time really seeing it in the sun. It seems like it flipped, the color flipped harder when it's not sunny outside for some reason. I don't know, I gotta I gotta do some homework on that bit. But these niggas right here driving slow. I don't know what they got going on. If I ain't gonna lie, it feels good to be back in my car though, bro. Cause I ain't driving my car for like a whole week. Down there. I think it was a whole week. I know my car broke down on a Friday. I ain't get that bit back till that next month. When it was the next Sunday. On everything, I ain't had my car for a while. That junk was too crazy. One thing I learned, bro, do not drive behind a nigga who got a lot of stuff on the back of their truck, bro. Cause that junk was not cool. I had to pay unnecessary money for no reason, bro. No reason. $1,300 for no reason. If I was in another lane, bro, that junk would never happen. Oh, my boy going crazy in the scat, you feel me? I'll still whoop on that ad though, you feel me? He don't want promethazine to sleep his ass. I don't know y'all niggas know, but Miss Promethazine put shit to sleep, no cap. Ooh, them brakes. Y'all boy told me to come in and buy some more brakes. Little do y'all know, I did buy brakes. And they stopped squeaking for 2 days and they started right back, you feel me? So, if y'all can tell me what I can do to fix that, just let me know, you feel me? Got away on that light. Blowing their horn. I don't know who that is. Just hit my Instagram if y'all want to talk to me though. I got my sticker right on the back window. On everything. Just hit on my Instagram. Look at that dog. Scan niggas. Y'all better get out the way, boy. If you win that cat motherfucker. Win that cat motherfucker, twin. You gotta get out of the way. Let me chill, cause I know the police be camping out there bit. Oh, I see a police right there on everything. I see a police right there. So that means I'm gonna have to park that bit a little different. No kizzy. I'm trying to figure out how I'm finna park that bit. Damn, that bit caught fuck. Oh, little mama, I know she don't got no insurance, bro. Go ahead and put that bit in drive. You feel me? Let the windows up. You feel me? Close the sunroof. I guess I'll take out boys inside the store. I ain't gonna record inside there because they be tweaking. You feel me? But I gotta give me some food. You feel me? So I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever I get my plate. No doubt. We is now back in the whip. Let me show y'all boy my food. On everything. You feel me? The boy had to get some food. I'm supposed to be on a diet. I ain't gonna lie, but the way this week has been going, I don't give a fuck about no diet, nigga. I'm finna eat this. No doubt. But y'all, with that being said, you feel me? We finna go ahead and end off the video. Y'all see that purple flip right there? You see that bit look purple. You can see the reflection of that bit, you feel me? But we finna end the video off right here, y'all. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Make sure y'all do that. Because we close to 10,000 subscribers, no cap. When I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to actually feel like I actually did something. Like, I'm stamped, you feel me? I'm stamped on their YouTube stuff. You feel me? So make sure y'all boys do all that. You feel me? We're going to have many more videos to come. Let me know what type of video ideas y'all want to see, you feel me? You know, all of that. Because it's time to turn the channel up. We still got some more stuff we're gonna be doing to the car. You feel me? We may do some performance mods real soon. So stay tuned in. You feel me? And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.